I heard somebody say it was a pandemic. I said it's a pandemic. These motherfuckers did this shit way back in 1976. If you go back again, you'll see the Spanish flu, and that was the same tricks. 1917, but go back further than that, 1600s. Yeah, they call it the flu or the smallpox disease, the European disease, the white man's disease. European colonists trying to colonize the world. Aliens, motherfuckers. Yeah, they trying to look like they pearls, trying to say that they coming around for democratic reasons, talking about they ain't committing no treason, talking about they ain't the domestic terrorists that we see every day. Yo, even on the news they play. CIA, FBI, all them motherfuckers is guilty. Guiltier than you and I. They been killing people for diamonds and gold, for mass media influence. They killed Bill Cosby. Yeah, they killed Marcus Garvey. Fuck you motherfuckers, y'all gonna pay for that. Dr. Sebi, where my papers at? My freedom papers at? February 10th, 1987, what our freedom back? We want our freedom back. All these pharmaceutical companies committing genocide. Talking about it's a hospital. Come take a bed and ride. Fuck all that, you lied. You ain't trying to give me no cure. You just trying to cope the symptoms so I can get back and give you some more money. So you can have a debt, get some more money, and you can go pay for that. And pay for this, yeah, private jet. Nah, we ain't trying to get bamboozled, hoodwinked all over again. This is more than writing it down in a pen. We trying to come together like forever. Come together, Black Panther, Black Party, Wakanda forever. Our people need each other. Real Estate Holdings is a dream that we got together. LLC. Bigger than Amazon, you see. Black power, black epiphany. We can come together just with $1, you see. Around the world, every month. Together we are always better. Real Estate Holdings Company. Let's take back our indigenous land. Reparations. That's what I'm talking, fam. Kill these motherfucking cops to try to take over our blocks. We ain't gonna stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Louis Farrakhan, we hear you with the Criterion. July 4th, 2020. Yeah. We thank you, brother. Malcolm X, the Ballad of the Bullet. By any means necessary. You motherfuckers trying to put us in a position to look like we very scared, but nah, we not scared. We gonna shoot like a Black Panther being pushed into a corner. With one leap, we gonna kill. Together we got to get the deal. Group economics is what we feel. Our unity is our power. Our unity is our atomic bomb. The miseducation don't want to go on. No more miseducation, let's unify. Mighty family.